Welcome back to the Funko Brothers YouTube channel. Today we have some Dorbz rides to show you, a South Park Kid Robot vinyl figure, a giveaway win from JKL Awesome, and a gift from Mamaj and Silver Hair Wolf. So stay tuned after this brief intro. Welcome back. Let's get this video started, shall we? First up, we have some Dorbz rides. We have Harper with Sheriff vehicle from Stranger Things. Move that to the side for now. Then we have Beast with Blackbird Jet from X-Men, Walmart exclusive. Then we have Walmart exclusive Storm and Stealth Blackburn. And then we have the Grinch with Max. Awesome Dorbz ride. Then we have, it's not the glow in the dark, but we have the Ghost Rider Dorbz. And then we have if there's any South Park fans, we have a vinyl figure of Mysterion from Kid Robot, and also the video game and then we have an awesome win from JKL Awesome. We'll link his channel down below. See what we got. First we have a letter. Congratulations on your win, and thanks for your continued support from your friend JKL Awesome. And you got his sticker. We have Walgreens exclusive Adam Warlock. Once again, I'll have JKL Awesome's YouTube link in the description. Then we have a sort of gift / win. I'd been wanting one of these when Mama J had them on her live. She was giving them away to the channel members. And unfortunately, I couldn't be lucky enough to win one. So, Silver Hair Wolf had won. And I didn't know about it until about a week later. She had contacted Mama J and told her to send it to me. Which is the glow-in-the-dark Funko sign. which there was only 3 of them made. So I'd like to say thank you to Mama J, and especially thank you to Silverhair Wolf. Both of their channels will be in the description below as well. So please comment down below what was your favorite out of the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It's all totally free. Funko Brother is out. Catch you in the next one.